unfreaking believable.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Franklin County in central Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County in central Ohio, southeastern Delaware County in central Ohio, southwestern Licking County in central Ohio until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pickerington, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Gannett, Pickerington, Granville, Pontassaula, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Johnstown, Beeching Trail, Granville South, Summit Station, Whitehall, Etna, New Albany, Jersey, Metropolis, Alexandria, Bryce, and Blacklicky Estates. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 107 and 119. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/. Don't submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Licking, Ohio.
You guys are literally the worst. All of this was rolling through the area at the start of this hour. And Cleveland has issued 0 warnings on these. They issued SPSs, but nothing else. And now here comes freaking Wilmington issuing an SVR for Licking County, which is the only county covered in the WWG57 transmitter operational area, I guess, that's under the Wilmington coverage. You guys gotta be smoking a fat blunt. I'm sorry. Not to be that person, but you guys should have started issuing warnings like a long time ago. These, they don't look like much, but still, it was better to be safe than sorry. Yeah, I digress. I can't argue.